My name is Deirdre Mahan. I'm the Vice President of Marketing at Rainstore. So a little bit about Rainstore. Rainstore is a database company. We provide software for the world's largest enterprises to manage and analyze their big data. So our database is typically we sell it to a large bank or a large financial institution, telecommunications, and even governments. So when we think of big data, we think of it as a business problem, and generally big data is petabytes, hundreds of terabytes to petabytes that need to be managed because business users want to analyze that data, quants want to get a hold of that data, and most importantly, in these industry sectors, they have to keep the data. So compliance regulations dictate that their data assets must be online and integral and accessible. So we're helping manage those data sets, and actually we have unique capabilities in our database that shrink down the size of the data. So we actually take the big out of data. And when you deduplicate, compress that data to a much smaller footprint, it not only speeds it up, becomes much more cost effective, and everything efficiently scales. We think that big data it's not just about the volume, velocity, and variety of the data. You have to be able to store and manage it and get access to it. But there's three business challenges when it comes to managing that data. We call it the 3 C's. So first of all, the cost. Data's getting bigger, it's growing at a massive rate, exponentially, especially inside a big bank. And the cost of keeping that data online and accessible for the business is very expensive. Throwing more hardware at the problem is not the answer. You have to address it at the root cause. Complexity is the second C. It's becoming far more complex. The introduction of Hadoop in the last 5 years is becoming very popular because of its low-cost scale, but it's complex to manage and get up and running quickly and give business users access. And then the third piece, which most large organizations, public and even private, they have to worry about compliance risk. Are they keeping the data integral, immutable, and tamper-proof and accessible when the auditors come knocking? So cost, complexity, and compliance risk are the things they need to address. So Rainstore, we like to think that we've been doing big data long before the term was even coined. So back in 2004, our database product was engineered by a group of PhDs that sat down and said, we actually need to keep a lot of data, it's growing, and we need to keep it for unlimited time periods. But having more storage, more hardware inside the data center is not going to solve the problem. So we attacked that problem from the very beginning and attacking it at the root cause by storing data much more efficiently. So we deduplicate and compress data down to a much smaller size where it becomes much more manageable. We think that's one of the most important things when it comes to managing big data. It's a why wouldn't you?